Hi, I'm Adrian. In this video, we'll look at how you customize the booking form on Cademy. So when someone buys a course on Cademy, they're going to have to enter some basic details about themselves. So their name, email, their phone number, and then they're going to have to accept the terms and they opt in for marketing. Now, you can customize this if you want to ask extra details. Let's have a look at how you do that. So if I go into my course, if you go into the settings section of a course, you'll get to the booking form settings under the optional settings. So if I click on that, I'll see that I have a drop down where I can pick what form I want to use. So if I click on here, it's going to use this form. And now by default, you can see that this is the form with just this the details that I've shown earlier. So the name, email, and phone. Let's see how you create a new form that you could use. So I'll say create new form, example form for the video. This is going to be the name of the form. Only I can see it as an internal, as an admin user. Customers are never going to see that. And I can see that I have the default fields that have been shown on the first on here. So the name and email and phone. I can just remove the phone if I don't need that. And I'm going to click on add field and add the address field. There you go. I'm now have a custom form here and I just create form and that's going to save it. So now this form is the one that is selected on this particular course and I can just click save and now the course is saved with this new form. So if I click here and refresh the course, you'll see that now it has no phone number but it has the address field. So what if I want to add a extra field that is not yet in the list? So let's edit the form and let's say I want to add the date of birth. I'll click on add field. And in here in this list, I'll be able to create a new field. So I'll have to first pick the type of field this is. So you can see I can choose from a drop down field, multiple choice field, address field, and so on. I'm looking for the date field. And the type of course that you pick is just going to determine how the format field is, the field itself is formatted. So if it's a multiple choice, it's going to give them checkboxes. If it's a date field, it's going to prompt them to pick it from a calendar picker and so on. So I'll say date of birth as the field name. I can make it required or not, and I can create it just like so. Now that I've created the field, I click on update form and I save the course as well. If I refresh, there you go. I have my address and then date of birth with a calendar field. Once someone makes an order or booking, you're going to be able to essentially see all of these details within the admin sheet. So when you look at a booking, you're going to see all those details within the right side here. So you'll have all of them at hand. Okay, hopefully this all makes sense and you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please get in touch through the live chat at the bottom right of the screen. We're always happy to hear from you. Thank you so much and take care.